That's nice.
There's a few cars on the road.
I think that might be Tokyo drifting a little bit too.
This is the busiest road in this area. Just a few cars. A few brave travelers.
They might come from Tokyo. They can Tokyo drift.
They're not coming from Tokyo.
But maybe they are. You don't know.
Well, perhaps. Can you see the beauty?
Yeah. The beauty is just so cool.
Even though it's not snow, it's ice, it's still beautiful. Very beautiful.
Also, the song is Ice Barn. Look at this ice barn.
It's beautiful.
Look at this ice barn. Looks beautiful.
Beautiful. Beautiful. It's an appreciation of what goes on in the earth. We're going to go into the forest in a minute to see how the ice is in the forest.
Now, I think it's going to be tame. It's going to be very tame. Wet ice. It's so cool.
Yes. No, not quite.
A little frozen bush. So cool. I'm your frozen bush.
A souvenir.
Souvenir. Good land to keep.
A winter ornament.
Yep. It's not always bad for ice to come. No.
If we can appreciate what's going on and be careful, everything should be fine.
Yep. And don't be like me. Don't trip on the stairs.
That's right.
Because I actually kind of hurt.
Don't be in a rush to come down the stairs, or you may go a little bit faster than expected.